September 18, 1:46 in the afternoon. It's a beautiful afternoon. So ich aber kann sehen. It's cloudy. Ich weiß nicht pinklich, was ich gehe sagen. Oder von wo ich geöffnet die Kamera. But ich habe geöffnet die Kamera. War rausgewachsen von daheim. Okay, ich kann den zweiten. What a cutie! What a whoop! Okay. Man hat sie gemacht, der Road. Dann geht mit der Code. Lass mal sehen. Was ist sie gemacht? Cover my to welcome. Hi, I'm just looking.
Oh.
Yeah, don't worry.
Well, I think I had a question.
No, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bother.
Oh, no,
I'm just taking video.
Oh yeah, you
What are you guys doing?
just reconstruction of the just the trail. We're actually doing the whole heritage trail. Just all the bridges in each spot.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So we're just
Walked and I saw the road was closed, so I figured I'll check it
I
out.
think someone's asking. Believe me, no, because we had people come in.
Yeah, I know how it feels.
Yeah.
So I apologize for that feeling. I didn't mean to give you that feeling.
No,
I'm just a bystander. Basically, we macht über the bike path. Man macht über the bike path. En ik was ganz nervös, einige gekommen, einer gemeint. Ich habe Text da schuchen. Was wollen du? Nice, okay. Ich bin auf meinem Weg. Da sind in 10, 15 Minuten, I would say. See. Okay, bin eben dann angerufen, als dort. Man kann kommen und chillen. Ich bin sagen nicht ein Mensch, was just shows up. Okay, so the plan is to see now so. Guy in front from the vehicle, sipping the vehicle, and it's a roast backen. He's gonna lift the vehicle and push it back.
We'll try to back it up this way inside.
But I got nicht gerne gehen see what anyway, saying the floor. Zomaar zo'n action ook gedaan.
Thank you.
It was nice seeing you. Beautiful film. Okay, episode done. Vind toll. Was again a fun. Peace.